How can you reduce your carbon footprint? How can I reduce at home? How can you reduce at home? What does reduce mean? Reduce means to use something less. And for example, instead of using plastic forks, use metal forks. Instead of using plastic plates, use glass plates. And instead of using plastic knives, use knives. Reuse is when you don't use something, but you make it into something else that can help you. And if you have a water bottle, then cut the top off and make a pencil holder. And with a cup, use it for making a sandwich and cutting it into a hole. And for spices, you can use it for many different things for putting items in. Recycling means to destroy something and transform it into something new. For examples, you can recycle cans, plastic bags, and boxes. Renewable and non-renewable. The difference about them is that non-renewable takes years and years to regenerate, but renewable only takes a few seconds because of the sun. And we wouldn't want to switch to renewable instead of non-renewable because non-renewable takes years. After we use too much of it, it takes years and years for us to be able to use it again. So that's why we want to switch to renewable, but not renewable. Conserving energy is important because if you leave lights on when you're gone, then it wastes way more money and wastes energy. So what we want to do is whenever you leave your room, make sure to unplug your TV and turn off your lights and even turn off your fan. How to save water at home. For examples, you could start using a watering barrel so you could water your plants. And another reason is to stop your faucet every time you're brushing your teeth. And the last example is to take shorter showers. How to reduce your carbon footprint. This is my art project, and it is meant for like a sign for how to reduce your carbon footprint. And it is in here because it also talks about how to reduce your carbon footprint. How can you reduce your carbon footprint? I hope you use my tips to change your lives, and thank you for watching my presentation.